Hi, I'm Laura from YoungWritersWorkshops.com, and I'm going to talk about motivating young students. Young students can be very easily motivated because they're really curious and love learning. They haven't learned any differently, so their natural curiosity leads them to really enjoy and really want to explore and learn. So ways to really take advantage of that are to make learning a very discovery-based, provide them opportunities to do hands-on projects where they'll really be able to discover things on their own. Also providing a workshop model where they're working to each other and feedback to each other helps to make learning much more motivating. Another idea is doing trips and leaving the classroom as often as possible so that learning still continues to be fun and not predictable. Can be a great way to motivate your class. So some of these ideas just involve getting parents involved, finding ways within your school and in your district that you can have new opportunities for discovery and for learning. But the work is worthwhile because it will end up motivating your students.